Today, we're discussing a topic that might make your skin crawl: dust mites. These tiny creatures are found in nearly every home and can cause allergies and other health issues. And as it turns out, there are some really creepy things you might not know about them. So, grab some hand sanitizer and get ready to be grossed out, because here are 5 creepy things you never knew about dust mites. Dust mites are tiny, but they're everywhere. These critters are about the size of a grain of salt and can be found in every home, no matter how clean. They love warm, humid environments and can be found in bedding, carpets, and even upholstered furniture. Dust mites live off of your dead skin cells. That's right, these creepy crawlies feed on the skin cells we shed every day. In fact, a single dust mite can consume about 20 of your skin cells in one day. Gross. Dust mites have a short lifespan, but they reproduce quickly. Dust mites only live for about 2 months, but they can lay up to 100 eggs in that time. That means their population can grow quickly, and before you know it, you could have thousands of them living in your home. Dust mites can cause allergies and other health issues. These critters can trigger allergy symptoms like sneezing, coughing, and itchy eyes. They can also contribute to asthma and other respiratory issues. Unfortunately, it's nearly impossible to get rid of dust mites completely. However, there are things you can do to reduce their population in your home, like washing bedding in hot water and using allergen-proof covers on pillows and mattresses. So there you have it, 5 creepy things you never knew about dust mites. While it might be gross to think about these critters living in your home, there are steps you can take to reduce their population and improve your indoor air quality. Thanks for watching.